Hello everyone, welcome to Ima's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to do how to make banana cake, and we'll get to it in a minute. But before then, if we have not met before, I am Mary Ann Nnaji. So before we continue, keep subscribing, keep liking our videos, keep sharing. Let's get into the kitchen. Here are the ingredients we need for making this cake. We need 500 grams of flour. We also need 500 grams of butter. Here is 350 grams of sugar. Here is our baking powder, 2 tablespoons. Here is our 10 eggs. Here is our 1 tablespoon banana flavor. Here is 100 ml of whole milk. And here is salt. We are going to use a pinch of salt. These are the ingredients that we are going to use. And before we continue mixing, we are going to mix our powdered ingredients together. We are going to mix the flour and the baking powder and the flavor, then the pinch of salt. We are going to mix it together in a bowl. So let's get started. So right now we are going to sieve our flour like we always do. Sieve it into a bowl. The same thing baking powder. So right now we are going to add some pinch of salt. Just a spoon is okay. A tablespoon, because so we are going to mix it together and turn them very well. So now let's get into our mixer. We are going to mix butter. So right away we are going to use this. I've already plugged it. So now you can see how fluffy it has become. So right now I would have loved to go further to mix it more, but I will stop here. But the most important thing is that your butter needs to be fluffy, to be as smooth, no longer stiff like before, to be fluffy. So right now what I am going to do is to add my sugar and continue mixing it. So here is my 350 grams of sugar. You can see how fluffy it has become. Just the butter and the sugar. So right now, before I begin to add my eggs, these are the 10 eggs like I said. we need to be adding it little by little. So as it mixes, we add little by little. We need to mix, turn the bottom, if not it will not get to the bottom. So as you can see, some has not mixed well. In the same way, in this level, you can add in your preservative or your brandy, but for now I'm not adding any of this because this is the cake me and my family are going to eat. So definitely I'm not adding for this. It is not much, so I know it will stay that long. Why we add those preservatives is in case if the cake stays more longer in the hands of the one you are making the cake for, so that it will not get spoiled. That's the reason for the brandy or the preservative. So right now what I'm going to do is to begin to add my flour, the mixed flour. Like I said, we are going to be adding this flour little by little in this mixture. I will add little, then mix it. You see, as we mix it, it's getting stiff and stiff. You can see how strong it's now becoming because we have added our flour. So we are going to continue mixing, but first I'll turn this, go to the bottom of this bowl so that some of them will not just heap up there. They need to be mixed well. So right now, before I turn it on again, we are going to be adding our milk, our 100 ml, like I said, 100 ml of milk, so that it will get softer. It will not be stiff like this, because when you bake it like this, it might turn to be strong, too strong. So for it not to be too strong and not to be too watery, I use 100 ml of milk. As you can see, if you don't turn it well, you will see lumps of flour that didn't mix well. So definitely when you mix, you stop and turn it to the bottom. Make sure you get to the bottom of the bowl so that you will not see any lump. So this will be our final mixing. So next is for us to prepare our pan. I'm going to on the oven to 180 degrees. So right now I am going to transfer my batter into my pan. This is the pan I want to use for it. So I'm going to transfer it And when transferring, make sure it's almost half of the pan, so that when it's rising, it will not pour away. So as it is, when you are baking, it will rise and it will get to the full. You can see. We are going to put it into our oven and leave it for about 30 minutes. Depends, because sometimes when you bake this kind of pan, you have to control it, keep controlling before you bring it down from the oven. So definitely it depends. It might stay up to 40 minutes, 35 minutes, depends, 45. So I'm going to pop this into the oven. So right there, we are going to pop in our batter into the oven. And leave it for about 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, right now you can see our cake is ready. We have baked our cake. I baked another pan for what I want to use it for. So this is how you do your birthday cake. But first thing, let's go. I would like to cut it so that you will see it by yourself and see how the inside is. So inside, so here is how the inside of our cake is. As you can see, this is the inside of our cake, how soft it is. So this is how. So hello guys, I hope you enjoyed what we did. I hope you learned something on how to do banana cake. If you have anything, maybe something that I have not done that I'm supposed to put in the recipe, feel free, comment to us in the comment section and we'll always reply your comments. So at the same time, keep subscribing, keep liking our videos, keep sharing, because sharing is caring. So I would like to ask, what would you like me to prepare against our future videos? So if you have anything in mind, maybe there is something you want to know how to do that, just all you have to do is comment to us on the comment section. Below this video, you will see a comment section over there. Comment to us, tell us the things you would like us to prepare so that you can learn how to do them, or if there is any question, just feel free to. And also remember, we have our website. You can as well visit our website www.imaschefrecipes.com. I will leave them below the description. So thank you so much for staying tuned and do have a wonderful and lovely day. Bye bye.